Hi everyone, this is your host Vanessa, and welcome back to my channel where I help you make travel easier, smarter, and stress free. Today's video is super important, especially if you just realize, oh no, mali ang name sa Cebu Pacific booking ko. Don't panic, I've been there too, and I'll show you exactly how to fix a typo or a wrong passenger name in your Cebu Pacific booking step by step, fast and easy. First things first, you can only edit or correct the passenger name within 24 hours after booking, so make sure to act fast. And another thing to note, the name on your ticket must be exactly the same as what you written in your valid ID. That means no extra middle names, no missing letters, no nicknames. Everything should match perfectly to avoid problems at the airport. All right, let's jump in. So just click on this login. Yeah, you have to log in using the same account you used when you purchased the ticket. So you enter the email address, then get your verification code, and then check your email for the code and enter it on the login page. So the code is let me check on the email address first to get the code. Okay, then verify. And then you click on my bookings. And then enter the booking reference number and the last name of the passenger. By the way, this booking isn't mine. My friend Wendy requested me to buy the ticket for her, so I'll be using her booking as an example for today's tutorial. So let's go ahead and enter the booking reference number and her last name. Then click on add another booking. And then you can see it here. Click on manage. We just have to be a bit patient here and then click on update guest details. So what happened here is the right name is Wendy Toiko, but as you can see, her middle name Kidit was entered by mistake. So let's fix that. Just change it to Wendy Toiko, and then so let's do change it to Toiko. So after changing it to her family name Toiko, you click on this I confirm and then click on update guest details to confirm and to save the changes. And then let's wait for the confirmation. So there, it has been updated. You will receive a message on your screen saying that your details has been successfully updated. Plus, Cebu Pacific will also send you an email with your revised booking details. That's your confirmation that everything has been fixed. And that's it. Quick, easy, and stress-free. Remember, mistakes happen. What matters is knowing how to fix them fast. So next time you or a friend enters the wrong name, you know exactly what to do. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share it with someone who might need this guide today because small mistakes shouldn't ruin big travel dreams, right? This is Vanessa helping you travel smarter and see you in the next one. Bye bye.